So the last screen I got from this company, less than a month after I installed it, already had a dead pixel line. Not just a pixel, a whole line of dead pixels. That was fun. So I had to, like, this thing is super, super delicate. It has to be one of the thinnest pieces of glass that I've ever had to work with. So, yeah, we're gonna plug this in. We're gonna test it to see if there's any dead pixels on it. You want to see something crazy? This computer you can't turn off normally, but like it has a LCD for a trackpad. So it's actually running right now. This thing is, yeah, it is ridiculous though, because like no matter how many times you shut this off, like it always tries to turn itself back on. Which is super upsetting. I gotta get these things back in here. I'm not looking forward to a lot of stuff that I have to do with this computer. Yeah, it's very close to that as in like thickness. All right, not seeing any lines. Let's do this again. Yeah, the hardest part about this is going to be getting this adhesive to work right. Because that was the problem. That was one of the problems I had last time when I was trying to take this, like to get the other one returned, to take it apart. Like this adhesive that's on the back of what they include, not enough adhesive, and it doesn't have pull tabs. Like what the hell? Like how am I supposed to get this out in the future? So I had used my own, and that also didn't work. So yeah, people are super intelligent sometimes. All right, well, we're just gonna go. We're gonna send it. Remember right? Yeah, that's right. I'm remembering now. I gotta add a bunch more adhesive to this. I am remembering now. My other like fear with this, here I'll pull out the microscope and show it off a little bit, is this corner. So you can see, like I replaced the screen the first time, right there is where the initial hit happened. So anything along this edge, like there's nothing here. So it's literally just plastic, glass. Whereas here, the plastic, like I can't physically come this way and touch the glass, I go over it. This here, it's completely missing, and you can see like the glass stops the tool. That makes me nervous. And I told him, like, if you come back to me with a cracked glass in this corner, you're not covered under any warranties, man. Like, you got to be super duper safe. All right, let's plug this in one more time before I call this and start putting it back together. Last test, and then should be good. And this is where I hope, like, one of the problems I had last time was that the adhesive that I put up top was not strong enough. But I'm hoping that what I got up there now is enough to hold that on. Hopefully. Like, this is, I have to say, like, personally, this is an ASUS Zenbook. I would actually own this laptop. There's not a lot of laptops that I'm like super interested in owning. This is one of the ones I am, because it's got a lot of cool features. One thing I want to test is, oh yeah, that's great. That's much better than last time. Just have to tell them to be careful of the gap. There's a gap at the top because the glass is too small. Alright, and as long as it doesn't do the same thing, I think this guy's going to be like super duper happy with this. Of course this falls out. Most inopportune times. Both of them fell out? And there we go. The hinges have these little rubber inserts. They're like super tiny, but they're designed to keep like gunk and stuff out. And getting them like angled and aligned back in there is a pain. Because all I want to do is fall out. God, say what you will, this is one of the nicest screens I've ever seen on a laptop. It's a 1440, 144 hertz refresh rate like screen. It's super nice. Okay. Like, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can get a better angle of this. It's super weird what it's doing. Yeah, it is. It is a super nice screen. But, like, when I move the mouse, let's see if I don't know if we're gonna be able to see this. Like, you can see the mouse comes down onto the trackpad, and then it goes right back up onto the main screen. I've never seen like I've never seen that before. It's kind of dope. But no, this is a gorgeous looking screen. Like in person, like I know for a fact, like that it's not coming through on the stream, but well, I mean, it kind of is. You can see like this is. There's like a lot of color depth and a lot of color, and like it's just nice to look at this thing. Yeah. All right, good deal. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you ever have a question or concern about your computer and you just want to see if you can get an answer, swing by my Twitch channel. I'm usually there live. I can either myself or one of my community members will be able to answer your question. So stop by, hang out, and maybe learn a thing or two.